What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. Let's get into it. Welcome to the 12M Hustle Show, live pre-market. Let's go. So, guys, hope you guys are blessed. Monday, you guys saw that Dodgers versus Rays game last night. It was insane. I watched it, so woke up kind of late this morning, but yeah, that thing was sick, amazing. 18 innings and Dodgers winning, baby. 2 up, one in the series. Let's go. Anyways, let's get into it. So. We have NVIDIA up here. So this is what I talked about yesterday. Remember what I said, guys? I said anything below 188, go ahead and go short. So if you would have gone short, you would have got stopped out. Then you would have had to go long off the reclaim and then risk that opening. And then you would have got your target of 191. So we did get that target. For today, it's going to be pretty simple. Anything above yesterday's previous day high of 192 or 191, if I can get a pullback, then I will go long on that off NVIDIA, and I'll be risking probably like 50 cents off that to go ahead and get that long for that high a day breakout all the way to 195. Now, short wise, anything below, it's got to break this key level. We have to possibly have to break this 191 level, and I have to see it depending on the speed of the tape, and then I'll be targeting 190 and then previous day open of 189. So one more thing before I jump into the indexes. News for today, let's see, we got house price index. Still got government shutdown, so a lot of news isn't coming out. Got a couple news coming out today, guys. We got 7, 6, 7:30. So just keep that in mind, okay? A couple news coming out today, 7:30, 8:30, and 10. So when these times come up, keep that in mind on your size and your risk. So we got that going on. Let's start off with some Bitcoin. So bitty coin. Let's see, what did we talk about yesterday? So it looks like yesterday we did not get the money mover down here for the short. Looks like we got that overnight today, and then we didn't get the money mover for the long. So yesterday was a no trade day for Bitcoin. Today is going to be simple. Anything below previous day low, it's go short, target 112 or target 110. Go long, I would say above London high, above anything above 114.439, go long, and then wait for a little bit of a pullback, and then go for your main target is going to be 116.455. Okay, that's on Bitcoin. Next up, it's going to be ES. ES is going to be pretty simple. On ES, I would be targeting ES, anything above, same thing. You see how yesterday I talked about anything below here, go short, anything above Asia high, London high, go long. I didn't trade it. I hate trading all-time highs, so I don't trade all-time highs. But if I were, that's the game plan I would do. I hate trading all-time highs because there's no levels up here. But if you're going to go long today, anything above previous day high, I would go long, risking your Asia low and London low. And of course, if you're going to go short and wait for a breakdown for the unwind, you go short under Asia low, under London low, targeting previous day high, targeting previous day, targeting previous open, and which was 68.83, and targeting previous day low, which was 68.65. So that is the game plan. But as you can tell, as a short, I would be very, very careful because we are in a nasty uptrend like that. Pretty simple to see. Just drawing it for your guys' illusion. If you pull back, we're just going up. You have to wait for the structure to break in order to get your downward. Nobody knows when the top is, and if they say they do, they're just full of shit. So, and Dow. Yeah, other stuff is better to trade right now than, to be honest, than ES or NQ. So the Dow's been breaking out, finally broke out of his double top here at 47,340. Yesterday, what did I talk about? I said anything below here, get the short. You kind of probably could have did a no trade day. There's probably got chopped out. Maybe a small loss yesterday. Today's going to be even simpler. I would say on the Dow, I'm not shorting below simple target, below previous open of yesterday of 47,645, and I wouldn't even long this until we get a pullback back into previous day high. Hold it and long here and hold this as your stop, your Asia low, London low, and then shoot for pretty much just go next target. There's no next target. That's the problem with all-time highs. When there is no next target, nobody knows where the hell it's going. We call it blue skies and small caps. All right, guys. Next one is going to be the Russell. Russell's been really sick, really nasty, really good to trade. Look at that. That here's that unwind. This is what I want to see, where it's just gap up, 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 up. This unwind is what I'm trying to catch, right? This unwind, that's what I'm trying to catch on the NQ. But easier when it has levels up here. So we got the unwind. If you took a short yesterday off Asia low, off London low, you risked the high of Asia high, London high. You made great money. You shorted 25.444. You got your target that we talked about, 25.24 previous day low. Now, next target here is going to be pretty simple. Anything below this key level, which is 25.19, below London low, below Asia low, I would go short and I would target 2,500 into 24.79. That would be my target for that. For the long, I would have to break out of Asia. It would have to be above Asia high, a London high, and then hold it, risk previous day low, and then target at least previous day open of 25.46 would be the target. Actually, I'll put a level here. I would be targeting that. Yeah, I'd be targeting at least 25.42. That is the Russell, the micro for the Russell. And next up is your boy NQ. NQ, what I've just been talking about, did not trade it yesterday. Like I said, didn't get the pull down. Didn't go long because I don't have any levels to go long off of. Here's the level that I'm really interested off for the big unwind to smack the size on. Anything below, once we get this 25.793, I'm smacking size, looking for targets at 25.549, targets at 25.391. But till then, man, this thing is just going parabolic. It's just going up, 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 up. So I just don't really want to be a part of it. I don't want to get caught basically trying to chase it. If you're in this long from down here, then so be it. But if you're not, I would, just keep your size in check, because this thing can change in a dime. Pretty simple what I want to do here. If anybody wants to go and actually keep trading these all-time highs, my suggestion would be anything in between your Asia high, your London high in the zone, you can go ahead and go long and then just risk this bottom. So that's what I would say, is go long between 25.964, risk only a couple points, 25.930, 25.925. This is a tight range here, nice little level right here. Breaks here, then I would probably, I'll probably draw this here. So this is a nice little level here at 25.940. Anything below this, I would say go short. Anything above it, I'd say go long. That's probably what I will do today, is if I can get a move under that, I would go short. Look for a target of yesterday's open, 25.18. Look for a target of 25.795. That would be my target for this. But I mean, it's just ripping, look at that. The market is just slamming, ripping. So it's just insane, right? It's crazy. It is insane. Overall, government shutdown still going on, and this thing it just says, get out of my way, move, bitch, get out the way, get the hell out the way. It's just insane market, but it is what it is. You just can't fight it. You got to go with it. Either got to go with it or stay out of its way. So that's MNQ and oil. Let's do oil real quick. Finish up the morning. Sweet. Keeping it short for you guys today. This is 8 minutes. Gotta get my coffee in just because I watched the game all last night. It was a great game, though. People that watch baseball. So, oil, we said anything below this, go short. Anything above this, go long. Got a couple scalps, but nothing crazy. We're going to keep it even simpler on oil today. Anything above yesterday's open, anything above 61.57, go long. Anything below previous day low, go short. So you can go short here when you get a pop off the open, and then you can have a risk of 61.30 and go short, targeting into 59.33, targeting 58.94. Overall, looks like oil is coming out of this big ass uptrend. It was coming. It looks like it's starting. The trend finally broke. The structure of it finally broke, and it's actually starting to go down. So just go with the structure of the trend, basically, I would say. So that is it, guys. That is all your indexes, your Bitcoin, and NVIDIA. So hope you guys have a great morning. I'm about to get this coffee in. Hope you guys stay blessed. Like I had posted yesterday in shorts, there's nothing wrong with having a 9 to 5 and being a trader. I do it, so it's all good. I trade in the morning and then I pretty much go off to work the rest of the day. So keeps me chill. I don't feel pressure to trade every 5 seconds. If a trade comes, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is. So keeps your stuff in check, keeps you making that money. So multiple incomes, baby. Let's go. All right. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay blessed. Keep your risk in check. Peace.